Hey everybody, Brian McNichols here from touringplans.com. I am at the Polynesian Villas and Bungalows. This is the DVC side of the Polynesian Village Resort, and this is where I'm staying the night tonight. This is room 1117 in the Pago Pago building, which is really convenient for getting to the Ticket and Transportation Center or the Quiet Pool. To the main lobby and the main pool area, it's a little longer walk than I would like. Not the building I requested, but can't get them all right. Even working for Touring Plans doesn't exactly get me the room I requested. These lights are very harsh when I walk under them. I just noticed staring at this. So sorry for the constant, whitewashing of my face that is already pretty pale. But I thought I'd give you a quick tour of this room. This is, as far as I know, a pretty standard DVC room. This part of the room is much darker, which makes sense. It's where you sleep. Right here is the bed. This looks like it might be a full size or a queen size, but definitely not a king size. Last time I was in Disney World, I got a ton of king size rooms. You might have seen those videos already. Didn't get the king size. I can't tell if it's a full or a queen. Honestly, I'm not good at that. But since it's just me, it doesn't really matter. This one is a sofa bed. Much, much better as a sofa than as a bed. One of the reasons I don't stay in a lot of the DVC rooms is because I have two kids. So with four of us, you have to go up to a 2-bedroom to get 2 actual beds in the room, and I don't really like doing it. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like with the bed out. I like the artwork in here. I know some of the more recently redesigned rooms have gone a little sterile with the Disney stuff, and honestly this one is too, but it's very tiki themed, which I think is all that really matters here at the Polynesian. We have the tiki birds, of course, there. We got on all the lamps. We've got these little tiki statue guys right there. Look just like the one in the lobby now. Still the carpeting here at the Polynesian. Like Yacht Club, Pop Century are going to the vinyl flooring, which is what is out there, right there. That's the vinyl flooring. But they didn't continue it in here, which is fine. I'm on record, I like the vinyl flooring. I understand why people don't. This is kind of a half and half, but even it's a very tiki patterned looking thing. One other nice feature of these rooms, and Caribbean Beach is like this too, but they have this little pull down day bed right here that is pretty nice. And if you pull it down all the way, the light comes on, you can see little Lilo and Stitch. I assume there's a light switch in there, you can turn it off, because that would be real annoying while your kid's sleeping. These beds are not big enough for an adult. They are, I would say, about 5 feet long by 3 feet wide or so. There's no way I could sleep on one of these, but one of my kids could. Well, the shorter of the 2 kids anyway. Now, one thing I thought was a little strange about this room that I wasn't aware of ahead of time. Well, this is not strange. Little prep sink, coffee maker, toaster. Got the microwave going up here, mini fridge down there. It is a DVC room. In here, just a closet, ironing board, normal stuff. No washer and dryer in these rooms. But this is the bathroom, and this isn't the weird part. I'll get to that in a second. This is the normal part. This is kind of how the Polynesian bathrooms and the regular rooms have looked. Single sink, good drawer space, I like that. Pretty dated looking shower, bath combo. Again, nice artwork, got the mermaid from Peter Pan here. But this is the weird part. When you walk back towards the bedroom, there's another bathroom here. Now, there's no toilet in this one, so I guess it's not a full bath. But it's got another sink, more drawer space, and it's got this pretty cool walk-in full tiled shower. See, it's got a little bench in there, got some little river rocks on the floor, and it has the Rainmaker shower head and this pull-off shower head if it's easier for you to wash yourself like that. Hopefully it doesn't turn on. I am fully dressed and not particularly looking to get wet, but I love this feature, especially if you do end up having your whole family in here, and this does easily sleep up to 5 with the sofa bed out and that out. I love that somebody can be in the shower in here, brushing their teeth, doing whatever, and another person can be in the shower over there or using the bathroom or whatever. I think that is a fantastic feature. Patio out here is a first floor room. It's dark, nothing to see anyway. It's just a walkway and trees. I mean, it's nice. It's the Polynesian. It's all pretty nice. One other thing I like in here that took me a minute to find, actually, which is why I want to point it out to you guys. Underneath these little nightstands, next to the bed right here, But under here, they have little USB outlets and plugs right there. So you can plug your stuff in, set them up right here. I like that. They're doing that in a lot of the Disney hotel rooms now, putting those USB charging stations around. And as somebody who carries a lot of electronic equipment with them, I love that I can charge them everywhere. So I pulled the sofa bed out, I put the day bed down. This is what the room looks like now, with all that stuff down. Much less walking room, much more sleeping room, but honestly, it's still not bad. These are pretty good sized rooms, so there's still plenty of floor space. One thing I was oddly disappointed by, this bin right here that was the coffee table, now I have it at the foot here, it opens up. I thought, oh great, I can put the pillows from the couch in there so they don't take up space. They wouldn't fit, so I just have them stacked on that chair over there. So that was a little weird. I wonder what that's even for. I guess long-term storage. There are also drawers under the bed. I guess that's just part of being a DVC room. The idea is that people stay longer. Although, if I was gonna stay longer and I had the money for this kind of room, I would hope I would have the money for like one of them bungalows over there or something. Well, that's it. That's been my room tour of this Polynesian DVC studio room. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and be excellent to each other.